Here today to raise our concerns about the devastating effects of Mogoka in our community. This actually follows up on the powerful and unsettling documentary that we had and was released the other day, Stories Ajaba, that is stirring up conversations both on the social media platforms as well as at the community level. Mogoka widespread use impacts social and economic well-being, leading to productivity loss, financial burden, and legal issues in some areas.
We, the people of the Coast Region, we demand the national government to come up with regulations yenye inaenda kuban Mogoka kabisa kuuziwa the teenagers wenye wako huku mashinani. Na vile vile county government of Kilifi, it's high time you stop just sitting in your offices, come to the ground and see vile vijana wanavopotea, vile familia zinavoharibika. Mogoka tusipoichunga, at in the next election hakutakuwa na watu wa kupiga kura kwa sababu watakuwa wameisha kufariki na nyinyi mtakuwa mnaongoza akina nani. Tafadhali tukae pamoja, tuungane ili tuone ni vipi tunaenda kustopisha utumiaji wa Mogoka ndani ya Kenya tukianza na Kilifi County.
As a community-based organizations and the local change makers from Malindi who dedicate our lives to uplifting the society, we can no longer stand and watch the fabric of our community is torn by Mogoka. Sexual and gender-based violence, it stacks parental negligence, malnutrition, environmental degradation, and unnecessary human suffering and eventually death.